Hello people, this is KP and we are into the 18th video of Python. So what's the plan of this video and what's the topic? So today we are going to see about another built-in data structure from Python that is called set. Okay, so I hope you have studied about set theory in mathematics in your primary school, maybe in your BTech curriculum also if you have done. Okay, so let me give you a brief about set. So I can write a definition. So sets are nothing but, let me write also, sets can be used in the similar fashion like as we have seen till now about list and tuple for storing multiple different values. Okay, so set can be used to store, I can say multiple means more than one and different means like maybe string or maybe integer. Okay, multiple different values, then I can say in a single variable. Then what's the difference between this, or what's the need of sets? We can do the same thing with tuples also, isn't it? No, it's nothing like that. So there is something called unique. So what's that? Set is a collection, or set is a data structure where the elements are unordered. Let me write unordered, or you can say unindexed. Okay, so this thing I will explain by an example. Okay, so now let's start with set. So suppose I want to declare a set. How I can declare? I am just doing my set equals to, now for list we were using this square bracket, and for tuple we were using this parenthesis or round bracket, and now for set we are going to use this curly bracket, okay, or curly braces. So same thing, I'm just putting here, suppose apple, same example, banana, okay, and mango. Okay, so now if I just print it out, print my set, you can see the output. And if I check what's the type of my set, it's set data type. Okay, so let me write some more thing. I told you set is unordered or unindexed. What it means? It means let me write unindexed. Unindexed means I cannot access, let me write, can't access, can't access the elements using index number, isn't it? I will show by example. Okay, can't access the elements by index number. Okay, let me show you. This is my set, there is already declared. Now just let me access. So this is at index number 0. Normally you can think like it's at first position. So if I do my set, this is the way we access the elements. Now I am putting here 0, and now if I execute, you can see set object is not subscriptable. It is giving some type error. Why? Because it is unindexed. It is not necessary that apple will be at an first time every time. Okay, so somewhere you can think like mango can be first element, or sometime banana can be first element. There is nothing like order or index. That's why it is called unindexed. This is one extra feature rather than list and tuple. Another thing set has, or another feature I can say, that set does not support support duplicate values. Okay, so let me say this or give an example. I'm just copying this and pasting it over here. Now let me copy this entire three elements again. As till now I have done in list and tuple. I am pasting it again. I am putting a comma and pasting it. Now if I execute, you can see no errors. So you can think like it has accepted all the elements. But my dear friends, now if I just do print print my set, so what output you are expecting? This many like this is the long set you can expect maybe, and but if I execute, only three elements are there. See here, no change, because in set theory you have studied, if you put something like 1 3 times, it will take only single time, not multiple times. So that's why I told set does not support multiple values. Actually it supports, it does not consider, I can say consider, or does not take, or does not keep multiple values. Okay, so this is one thing. And another thing I can say, once set is created, let me write, once a set is created, created, you just can't change the elements. Okay, you can't change the elements. Okay, so let me show you by an example. So this is my set. I'm just copying it again and pasting it over here. Let me give it another variable name, suppose set1, suppose. Okay, and now what is the syntax, how we change the elements normally in say a list? So we give the list name, suppose here set1, and now suppose we want to change banana. This is at index number 0 and 1, this is at index number 1. So we just put here 1 and we just do, now here in place of banana I want suppose guava, isn't it, guava, and we just execute. But now you can see it is clearly saying set object does not support item assignment. So this is proved, once a set is created you cannot change its elements. All right, so what we can do more, I can just change, or sorry, just check the length. How to check? There is a function called len. How to check? So my set name is set1, set1. Just execute. You can see three elements are there, three unique elements. So suppose if you want to check here, let me do plus. Now if I do here len of my set, you might think there are multiple elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 elements are there. But if you check length, it will just give 3. So here len function gives the length of set containing only unique elements. Okay, it just counts the unique elements, not duplicate ones. Okay, so this is one thing. Anything else I can say? Yes, you can just create a, let me do set2. You can just create element with diverse elements, such as I am putting here car, maybe I'm putting here 90, I am putting here suppose false. This is the boolean value false, and you can just put something like 77.89. Okay, so if I just type, I can just check the type set2, so it is also a set. Okay, so set supports multiple different values. So some other way how to create a set. So suppose I am declaring a variable, suppose new set, okay, new set, new set equals to, you can just put the elements inside set function, okay. So this is the set function, or sometimes this is, you can see somewhere like constructor, okay. So we will discuss what is constructor. Let me put here constructor, okay. Or you can just now ignore, now you can think this is another way to create a set. So here I will put, let me check if this way works, maybe apple and car. Let me execute. Okay, set expects at most one argument, got two. So this is what I was expecting. So here you have to just pass with another parenthesis, okay. Remember this thing, okay. So you can think like this, inside set function you have to pass only one element, and that should be a tuple kind of thing, okay. Inside that, suppose I want maybe cycle, cycle, I can just put any numbers, any number of elements, that will be okay. Now if I check type of new set, you can see it's set, okay. So this is one way of creating set. So now let me tell you something interesting. Suppose you want to create an empty set, okay. Let me write empty set, let me execute, and let me show you how to create. So suppose I am doing set number, suppose 10, set 10 equals to, here we just gave the elements, what are the elements. Now I won't give any elements, okay. So this is set function, just blank, leave it as it is. Now just execute. If I do now type of set 10, so it's a set. But here it's a bit tricky. How? Let me show you. For creating an empty list, I told you I can create something like this. If I do L, this means I am creating an empty list. Similarly for tuple, I told you if I put this, it means it's a like blank tuple or empty tuple. But here we are using curly braces. So if you just put this and you are expecting it to be a set kind of data structure, then you are wrong. Let me show you. So suppose I am testing, right? So let me give test equals to any variable name you can give. I am giving test equals to this, okay. Now if I check what is the type, okay, this is control mode, I don't require, okay. So what I was doing, yes, I want to check the type. So if you just check the type of test, you can see it's something called dict. Dict word comes from dictionary, okay. Dictionary in Python is another kind of data structure, okay. So list is one type, tuple is one type, set is one type, and the last one is dictionary. We are going to see about that in later videos, okay. No problem, there I will discuss about dict. Now just think, this curly braces, empty curly braces won't give you a set. So the only way to create an empty set is this only, okay. So there might be some others, I don't know, I will check and let you know. But as of now you can just think this is the only way. Sometimes somewhere you might have, you might face any questions regarding this, so you just keep it in your mind. This is the only way how you can create an empty set, and this won't give an empty set, okay. So let me, how I can do something like this. I'm just putting here one line and I'm doing HR, okay. Here I need to do markdown, and now if I execute, so this is something double line and one very light line, and this is error. Okay, so what I can do, I can just put it in a single box, and just I am putting some error, err, sorry, error, it's error, don't use this way. Okay, so now you can read and get to know about this. Okay, so this is the set data structure in Python. I hope you understood about set. Now you can differentiate easily what is list, what is tuple, what is set, and the functionalities and all. Okay, so in the further videos we are going to discuss about dictionary, and that's all guys for this video. Okay, so don't use this, keep this in your mind, and I'm just saving it, file 7 checkpoint. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this and enjoyed, and also you have understood and clear your concepts. I suggest you guys just keep on practicing each and every class whatever I am doing any small examples. Just also take random examples by yourself and try to explore more. If you are getting some error, just try to resolve it by yourself. If you cannot, go to Google, take help of internet, no issues. If you just cannot resolve any issue, also put it in the comment section, I will try to help you out. Okay, so that's all guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.